Welcome to Algebra Basics. Today, we are going to explore binomials. These are two-term expressions that form one of the fundamental building blocks of algebra. So, what exactly is a binomial? The word itself gives us a clue. The prefix bi means two, just like in bicycle or binocular. Therefore, a binomial is an algebraic expression that contains exactly two terms. These terms are separated by an addition or subtraction operator. Let's break down the structure using the example 3x plus 5y here. 3x is the first term, and 5y is the second term. The plus sign in the middle is the operator that connects them. It is crucial to see these as two distinct parts working together. Let's practice identifying them. Look at the top left, x squared minus 4. This has two distinct terms, so yes, it is a binomial. However, 3xy is just a single term, known as a monomial. Similarly, x plus y plus z has three terms, making it a trinomial. Remember, we are looking for exactly two terms. There is one very important rule to remember. To be a binomial, the two terms must be unlike terms. If you have 5x plus 2x, you can combine them into 7x because they simplify into a single term. The original expression is not considered a binomial in its simplest form. A true binomial, like 2x plus 3y, cannot be simplified further. Adding binomials is straightforward. You simply group the like terms together. In this example, we have 2x plus 3 added to 4x plus 5. We group the x terms, 2x and 4x, and then the numbers 3 and 5. The result is 6x plus 8, which, interestingly, is also a binomial. We can visualize binomials using geometry. Imagine a rectangle with a width of x plus 2 and a height of 1. The total area is composed of the area of the blue section, which is x, plus the area of the orange sections, which total 2. This area model helps us understand what an algebraic expression represents in the physical world. When multiplying two binomials, like the quantity x plus 2 times the quantity x plus 3, we often use the FOIL method. FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, and last. This mnemonic helps you remember to multiply every term in the first parenthesis by every term in the second one. The result is usually a three-term expression, called a trinomial. There is a special case you will encounter frequently called the difference of squares. This happens when you multiply the sum and difference of the same terms, like a plus b times a minus b. The middle terms cancel each other out perfectly, leaving you with just a squared minus b squared. It is a very handy shortcut. To wrap up, remember these key points. A binomial always has exactly two unlike terms separated by a plus or minus sign. You can perform operations on them just like numbers, grouping like terms for addition, and using the FOIL method for multiplication. Mastering these basics will make advanced algebra much easier.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.